me, what do you know about the Sdgs? You see that each of us on Earth plays a vital role in working towards sustainable development. Goals and takes part and soul, not taking things for granted. Peace and prosperity for people on the planet. This we got to manage. The future we must manage to work to our advantage. Continue to do damage. Sustainable development goals. What do they mean? These are the Sdgs from 1 to 17. No poverty, no hunger, good health and well-being. Quality education for all human beings. Gender equality, clean water and sanitation. Affordable clean energy across every nation. These are our obligations. That means you and me both. Decent work and economic growth. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Reduce inequalities, prevented and hurt. Sustainable cities and communities. Responsible consumption and production. Unity, climate action. Life below water and life on land. They go hand in hand. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. Partnerships with goals to reach solutions. What's your contribution to sustainable development? Ask yourself this question. The question is more relevant. What's your contribution to sustainable development? Ask yourself this question. The question is more relevant. Sustainable development goals, what do they mean? These are the Sdgs from 1 to 17. No poverty, no hunger, health and well-being. Quality education for all human beings. Gender equality, clean water and sanitation. Affordable energy across every nation. These are our obligations, that means you and me both. Decent work and economic growth. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Reduce inequalities, prevented and hurt. Sustainable cities and communities. Responsible consumption and production, needing unity. Climate action, life below water. And life on land, they go hand in hand. Peace, justice, and strong institutions. Partnerships for the good.